Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the window mode in Wildgate to full screen windowed or windowed full screen. To do it, click on menu in top right corner, then click on options. Now you can go to video and now you'll find window mode. That can be set to full screen, windowed full screen or windowed, and let's set it to full screen first. You can see dark screen for a moment. In my case it didn't occur, but in your case it did, and that lets you change the resolution as well. Now let's set it to windowed, and you can also change the resolution here. And let's save it and close, and you can see how it looks right now. Yeah, and I think that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.